The powerful solution for complex manufacturing problems. The 7 QC tools is a designation given to a fixed set of graphical techniques identified as being most helpful in troubleshooting issues related to manufacturing system. These tools are suitable for people with little formal training in statistics and can be used to solve the vast majority of quality-related issues. These are also addressed as basic problem-solving tools. Following are the methods grouped in 7 QC tools: cause and effect diagram, check sheet, control chart, histogram, Pareto chart, scatter diagram, stratification. Check sheet is the most important form for collecting and entering the data. The check sheet inputs can be used for detailed analysis. In fact, this is the first step to use the problem-solving tools. The check sheet is a form of record data in real time. The data captured can be quantitative or qualitative. When the information is quantitative, the check sheet is sometimes called a tally sheet. A scatter diagram is a tool for analyzing relationships between two variables. One variable is plotted on the horizontal axis and the other is plotted on the vertical axis. The pattern of their intersecting points can graphically show relationship patterns. Most often, a scatter diagram is used to prove or disprove cause and effect relationships. Creation of scatter diagram. Collect the data, draw the diagram, plot the paired data, title and label the diagram. Scatter diagram. Use a scatter diagram to examine theories about cause and effect relationships and to search for root causes of an identified problem. Use a scatter diagram to design a control system to ensure that gains from quality improvement efforts are maintained. It shows the relationship between a problem and its possible causes. Developed by Kaoru Ishikawa, 1953. In this method, the entire problem is broken into parts to find out the factors causing the problem. Advantages. Diagram demonstrate knowledge of problem-solving team. Diagram results in active searches for causes. Making the diagram is educational in itself. Diagram is a guide data collection. Histogram is being developed after plotting the data and dividing it in an equality-defined individual's content, the number of data points in each interval to understand the intensity. In statistics, a histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of data. It is an estimate of the probability distribution of a continuous variable and was first introduced by Karl Pearson. The histogram depicts the process behavior that is deviating from the target value on lower and upper specification limit. Control chart, also known as Shewhart charts or process behavior charts in statistical process control, are tools used for determining if manufacturing or business process is in a state of statistical control. How to make control chart. Plot collected data points. Plot the center or mean. It is usually the target value for the data set. Plot the upper and lower control limits, which is usually the mean plus or minus 3 times the standard deviation. Look for out-of-control signals on the control chart. When one is identified, mark it on the chart and investigate the cause. Collect the data. The Pareto principle is known as the 80-20 rule. The law of vital few states that for many events, roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. Here is an example of a software company noted that by fixing the top 20% of the most reported bugs, 80% of the related errors and crashes in a given system would be eliminated. It is a technique to separate the data collected from a variety of sources or categories to understand the pattern of data. Thank you.